I'm starting to think it doesn't have to be this way. I don't have to wash away the pain with liquid courage, liquid courage. I lick the scourge, I lick the scourge. Now I'm starting to think it doesn't have to be this way. I don't have to wash away the pain with liquid courage, liquid courage. I lick the scourge, lick the scourge. You know what I've been through. It feels like there's no use, but I won't be happy too. Maybe 2020 is the year I bloom. For crying out loud.
Alright everyone, so I just finished my makeup. This lipstick, or this like matte from NYX, is amazing. Like, it doesn't dry your lips at all, and it's obviously like kind of like a velvet matte finish, but yeah, it is such a beautiful color. So yes, I'm really happy with the products. I absolutely love them. So I'm gonna go take OZZIE out, and then I'm gonna change and go to work. Hey everyone, so I am back home. I'm only here to eat lunch and just kind of chit chat with Richard, and then I have to go back. But it was a shit show today. I came in, you'll see a video and you'll see some photos. I'm gonna put them up. But yeah, it was just such a like shit show. There was water all over the place. I was like, what is going on? What the hell? So, but besides that, everything else went smoothly. The other receptionist came and she helped me, so I was really happy with that. But I am just like wiped out. I'm ready. I want to get some margaritas. I want to do slushy margaritas tonight and just have fun. Probably meet up with some friends. I don't know. We'll see, because right now the strip is looking a little crazy, so we might just leave it for tomorrow. But yeah, I'll get back with you in a couple of seconds. Bye. All right, everyone. So it is currently 5 o'clock on the dot, and oh, 1 second. Okay. Okay, so it is technically Friday, New Year's Eve, and there is a shooting at the fashion mall on the Las Vegas Strip. And me and Richard are just like, you know what, we're not gonna go out. We were gonna try and meet with our friends today, but it's just, the craziness is already starting. So I'm just like, you know what, let's just stay in tonight, go have fun tomorrow. And he's getting some margaritas for us right now. He's gonna come up, we're gonna drink them, and then yeah, we're just gonna cook together and relax, watch maybe some Cups, old school Cups. So, but yes, when we're just not into the whole partying thing anymore. We're 30 years old, we're just homebodies. I just want to stay in, relax, and that's it, you know. So yeah, let me know what you guys are doing for your New Year's Eve, if you're gonna go out with friends, if you have like a party to go to with friends and family. Let me know, I'd love to know. Ooh, delicious, absolutely delicious. All right guys, I will talk to you just a little bit later. Hey everyone, so it is 7 o'clock on the dot, and it is going insane outside. It is super windy for no reason. It literally came out of nowhere, and yeah, we tried to go outside, couldn't even do it. It just, things were flying to us, bags, rubbish, all that stuff was flying to us, and we were like, yeah, like this is not gonna work. So, and then it's so cold. No, I don't think so. But yeah, we're gonna cook right now.
With the last guy, I never opened up. He tried to get in deep, but I went and switched it up. Cause if we talked about the past, he'd wanna talk about mine. what he'd find. Now I tend to evade all emotion. Don't think twice about the person I'm using, or get caught in that old game of guessing, all to avoid getting hurt again. I push them away and dodge every call, drag them through pain, then say it's their fault. Go out at night, have sex with strangers, distance myself like second nature. That way when they're leaving, I'll know the reason. I'll know the reason. I'll know the reason. I'll know the reason. Cause if they hurt me when they left, then I'd be back to square one. What I've become, I can't outrun. Now I tend to evade all emotion. Don't think twice about the person I'm using.
Alright guys, Happy New Year. I will see you in the new year. Bye. Alright guys, so we are going, we're gonna take down the tree. It is the 1st of January and we thought, why not take the tree down? Super sad, but I don't know, it has to go, you know, it has to go. I had a shower earlier and I feel like I have like a hair of OZZIE in my eye because my eye is so itchy, and I'm trying not to scratch it too much because you know when you scratch it, it just flares up. So yeah, you guys are coming with us. We're gonna take the tree down, so let's go. Alright guys, so we just took the tree down. I had to vacuum because there was so many like little dust particles going everywhere. But yeah, it was kind of sad, but the place looks really like nice and clean. I just feel very like tired, so hopefully I feel a little bit better throughout the day. Maybe drink a lot of water, but yes, let's keep cleaning this place. All right, you guys, so me and Richard are quickly gonna go to Target. We need to get some tequila for tonight. And we gotta get a calendar, and then we gotta get something to eat, and then we will meet with our friends around 8ish, 8:30, around there. So they have a party bus. So I'm really excited to see what kind of trouble we are all gonna get ourselves into. Tequila for me is my best girl. So I love it, love it. And you guys are gonna come with us and see how it all falls down, I guess. But yes, let's go to Target right now. Hey guys, so we just came back from Target and let me show you what we got because we overspent. How much did it all come out to?
116.
116, and we were just going for calendar and tequila. And it came out to be 116. So let me show you what we got. Here's the culprit. Tequila. Woo! I got 1800. That is my favorite tequila bottle. We are going to go out with some friends and there's a party bus involved. So I thought, why not bring the tequila? Here's the other culprit. Culprit? Culprit. There we go. Here's the other culprit. So with my accent, I just feel like I'm saying the culprit, like, but I'm saying culprit, like, but I feel like I'm saying culprit. All right, fuck it. He's just the calendar that we got. It's a small one because the big one was sold out. So we ended up just getting a small one. It says January 22. We got popcorn. We got 2 bags because it was 2 for $7. And then Richard got these. What'd you get these for?
I'm gonna put it in the bathroom so I can hang a towel.
Yeah, okay, so we got these. I got my melatonin. These are the ones that help me go to sleep all the time. So I had to stock up on that. And this, we're gonna put the dishwashing soap into this. That way it's just easy for me when I do the dishes. This was $2.50. We always need bowls, so we ended up getting these bowls right here. And they were $2 each, so you can't go wrong with that. And then me and Richard, we cook and sometimes we have leftovers and we always use like the pans to put all the food in. So we ended up getting some Tupperware or containers. And this was like $9. $9 and some change. Then I got my sleeping pills. So what I do is I do 3 gummies, 1 sleeping pill, and I'm off to sleep with the fishes. So that's a good one. This candle right here was $5. It is a cranberry and orange flower. It smells delicious. And then we got these plates. They were $2 and I like them because they have like that kind of ridge right here. That way no food falls. And yeah, they're really cute, so why not? Richard, of course, got the Oreos. These are the original ones. Ooh. He also got my favorite. And then we got some Twix at the end. That is what we got at Target today. I don't understand how all of this is 105 because I'm looking at it and I'm thinking, why is this much? It just can't be because of the tequila. Like, come on. What's going on here, Target? But it could be because of the tequila, but either way, it's annoying. But yeah, that is what we got. Then I'm gonna get ready soon. Probably just relax a little bit with Richard, put all this stuff away, and then get ready and show you guys my outfit. I feel a little bit bloated, so I am a little uncomfortable with my body. Don't know why I get bloated, but it is what it is. I'm probably allergic to everything at this point. But yeah, I am going to show you the outfit. Hopefully, like I said, I feel comfortable enough to show you, but sometimes, like, I don't know, I feel bloated and it sucks, but we'll go with that. All right, guys, I will see you in just a bit. guys, so I feel like crap. I think last night I partied a little too hard, and I definitely paid for it the whole morning. I feel a lot better. I'm going to have myself some pancakes, cook Richard his eggs. But yes, I 100% know that I am not a spring chicken no more, and I can definitely not party like I used to party. So let's make these pancakes.